Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is CSS full tutorial series for absolute beginners. In the last episode, we have covered how to insert CSS in three different ways. Before that, we covered the CSS syntax, and which both the episodes are very important for you to learn CSS. Please make sure that you go through them. Today, we are learning how to write comments in CSS. This is part 4 of the series. If you are new here, I also have HTML, CSS and JavaScript Angular series on my channel. Make sure you check them out if you want to learn. Like I said, this is episode number 4. We are learning how to write comments in CSS. Comments are used to explain the code. Don't write comment for every line of code, but only for important blocks that you think someone else who is reading your code is important. Comments are ignored by browsers. That means you can add any number of comments in your code and that is not understood or processed by browsers. A comment is placed inside the style element and starts with slash asterisk and ends with asterisk slash backslash. Let me show you in action. This is the page we have done so far. Very basic, very simple right now, but it will get interesting as we progress in the series. So to write a comment, you would write backslash asterisk, and remember, if you don't close it, the entire thing becomes commented. So it's very important that you write your comment carefully and try to give some meaningful comments rather than just saying subheading or something. Say subheading styling for pages, right? That's how you write a comment. Now you can do that in the external CSS also and say applying the style for beautification and close the comment. So this is the only way you can write comments in CSS, and by writing backslash asterisk and closing with asterisk and backslash. If you go and refresh your screen, there is nothing on the screen. But if you open the view page source, you can still see the comments, but they are not processed by the browsers. Alright, so you can write any number of, you can open the external CSS and you can see the comment. You can write any number of comments that will not affect your web page. Write meaningful comments. Don't write comment for every single line of code. It's understood only for certain aspects where you think the code is little tricky. Don't write this code comment inside HTML. It will not work. A lot of times I see junior developers will make this mistake. Don't do that. This will not work. Right? If you do like this, it will be visible in the web page because it would think that it's a content, right? So for writing comments in HTML, I have covered this in HTML tutorial. Make sure you go through that. That's how you write a comment in HTML, right? This syntax, opening and closing. For CSS, we write backslash asterisk followed by asterisk and close backslash. I hope that's simple, straightforward, nothing complicated there. I hope you will be able to add some meaningful comments in your code. I've been covering a lot of colors like named colors, hex colors, so I'm going to talk about that in the next episode to show you the different variations of how you can use them. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're learning. Please do continue learning with me in the next episode. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.